Good morning. Welcome to another edition of My Tutor. Today, we're going to start on quadratic functions. Before I start, please subscribe to this channel if you wish to get notifications on future postings on mathematics IGCSE. Okay, let's go. Function f is defined for x is an element of R. R means real numbers. By fx equals to x squared plus 4x minus 6. Find the least value of fx and the value for which it occurs. So for this question, you can complete the square. Completing the square plus 4x minus 6. These two terms, this coefficient, half of 4 plus 2. Then minus this value 2 square, minus 6. So it becomes x plus 2 square minus 10. Okay, so once you have completed the square, this value 2 is minus 2, it means plus 2, you take minus 2. Is the value of when this value occurs, and this value is minus 10. So this value minus 10 when x is minus 2. Okay, hence write down a suitable domain for fx in order that f inverse x exists. So you must be a function that is 1-to-1. So it can be larger than -2 or any numbers larger than -2, or smaller than -2, or any number smaller than -2. So I will just choose -2, simple. Hence write down as functions g and h are defined by for x an element of R by gx is x over 2 minus 1, hx equals x squared minus x. Find inverse function of g. So I'm going to do an xy interchange. Let g inverse x equals to y. So gy will be equals to x. So y over 2 minus 1 equals to x. So y equals to 2x plus 2. Since y is the inverse function of x, so the inverse function of x will be 2x plus 2. Okay. Solve GHX equals to G inverse x. GHX equals, this is an equation, solving an equation. GHX, HX is x squared minus x. X squared minus x over 2 minus 1 equals to x plus 2. Okay, running out of space. X squared minus x equal 4x plus 6. X squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. X plus 1, x minus 6 equals 0. So x is minus 1 or x is 6. Okay, we have finished the first question. Let's go to the second question. Show that y equals 3x squared minus 6x plus 5 can be written in the form ax minus b squared plus c. So this is completing the square again. So first step, factor out the coefficient of x squared. So x squared minus 2x plus 5. Then complete the square. Again, half of minus 2. So it's minus 1. And minus this number 1 square plus 5. So you have 3 expanding, minus 3 plus 5, so it is 3, x minus 1 square plus 2. Okay, and so let's find the coordinates of the station point of the curve, y equals 3x squared minus 6x plus 5. This is like the previous question. They're asking for the least value as for a stationary point. So you just need to write down the answer. Answer is 1, 2. Express 4x squared plus 2x plus 55 in the form ax plus b squared plus c. Okay, this is completing the square in a different way. Plus 32x plus 55. So what I'm going to do is, instead of taking out factorizing that 4, 2x squared is 4x squared. Okay, so this is half of 32 is 16. And because this is 2, you need to half again. So it's 8. Minus 8 squared plus 55. Okay, same thing, minus this number square. So the answer will be 2x plus 8 square minus 64 plus 55 will be minus 9. So there we have it. Function f and g are defined by fx is 4x squared plus 32x plus 55 for x larger or equal to -4. This is to make it a one-to-one function so that you can qualify or you can find the inverse which the question asks to find. So let f inverse x equals to y, fy equals to x, 2y plus 8 square minus 9 equals to x. So y rearranging, y equal square root of x plus 9 minus 8. So the inverse function is square root of x plus 9 minus 8. It's x over 2. Okay, solve fgx is 135. So fgx equals 135. This is 3. So put 1 over x into x. So you have 2 over x plus 8 square equals to it's plus 55 or minus 9. So you have 2 over x plus 8 equals to 12. So there's a minus 12 or plus minus 12. We're getting a bit short of space. So you have 2 over x equals to 12 minus 8, which is 4, or 2 over x equals to minus 12 minus 20. Okay, x is half, or x is minus 1 over 10. Two solutions. But let's check and see. So there's another way to solve this. So you put f inverse f gx will be f inverse 135. So you have gx will be equal to, you have the inverse function of f, which is, so this is 135 plus 9 minus 8 over 2. So what is gx? Is 1 over x equals to plus 9. So this is 12 minus 8. So x is half. So this is the solution. This is not the solution, this is the solution. Okay, that's it. So thank you very much. If you like this class, you can subscribe. See you again.